What's up guys, hope you're doing great. This is your boy Akabenezer, and today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to remove the puff sounds from your audio. These sounds, or I would say noise, are produced from consonants like P, T, B, and any other sound that's produced from a letter that will make you puff air out. So I recorded a voiceover for a client's job, and because I didn't have a dead cat or something to shield the microphone from wind noise, it resulted in some of these problems that normally happens to your audio when you don't have any protection to shield the microphone from the wind or from any kind of moving air. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do today. We're going to fix that over here in post-production. It wouldn't be always effective to resort to post-production for your problem solving, but in some cases it works. Luckily for me, mine worked. So I want to share with you so that if you find yourself in such a situation, you can also be able to fix it in post. All right, so let's get right into it. In Premiere Pro, what I've done is I've selected an area where I have this issue. So I've created a new or different sequence on the timeline where I'm going to drag the audio out of the source window. And let's listen to the audio to find where the issue is.
You should get the most amazing and effective hair products.
Okay, so you notice that where she says products, that's where the problem is.
Effective hair products.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to right click on the track and edit clip in Adobe Audition. So you need Adobe Audition. So if you haven't installed Adobe Audition, you're going to have to do that, because in this tutorial, that's what I'm going to use to fix that issue. Right, so let's wait as Adobe Audition launches. And once we are in Adobe Audition, my track is already saved to me. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to zoom in into the audio, the wavelength, to find exactly where the issues are. But if you remember, when we listened to it, we noticed that the P sound of product, when she was reading the script, is where the problem is. So you notice that there's a spike up and below than the height of these wavelengths, all right? And that's where the issue definitely must be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to left click and drag it all the way over where my issue is, and a little bit more into the right. Once I have the area where the issue is selected, I'm going to go up there to effects, then to filter EQ, FFT filter, and it's going to open up the FFT filter for me. Already I've done this before, and because of that it has my custom settings in there, but normally this is how you're going to find it when you open it first off. Right, everything is leveled mostly like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this node downwards. If I do it way too much, I'm going to diminish the wavelength over there, and you're gonna hear almost nothing.
Product.
All right, okay, so because we don't want to diminish everything, what we're gonna do is we're gonna undo, Control Z, and bring it back to where it was. And I'm gonna hit effect once more, filter and EQ, FFT filter, then lift it up a little bit more so that I don't lose the information in the audio. Just a little bit that way, or maybe a little bit higher, then I'll apply. Okay, so I still have some of the wavelengths in there, which indicates that I haven't lost information totally. So let us listen to the audio once more from the beginning to where we just fixed.
You should get the most amazing and effective hair products.
Okay, so you notice that the problem is solved. We've removed that puff sound that makes listening to this audio obnoxious. All right, so that's how I fixed that issue after forgetting to shield my microphone from wind and some puff sounds that I made from the lips of the actor. Okay, so I'm gonna hit Control and S to save, and automatically it saves it in here after I close Adobe Audition software, and it replaces my audio with what I just fixed in Audition. Okay, so let's listen to it once more to see if we have everything in place.
You should get the most amazing and effective hair products.
So that's how you solve the issue of the puff sound. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and turn on the post notification button to be always notified of future videos anytime I upload them. And until the next video, have a wonderful day. See ya.